The authentication add-on. It allows you to authorize access to all or part of your app to users with a user profile. Once the add-on is added, several new features will be available in the back office. First of all, two new sections have been added. Logbox, which correspond to what your users will see when they register or log into the app. It can't be moved within the list of sections. It always has to remain at the top of that list. This has no impact on the global menu of the app, as it is not a real page but a level before accessing the content. Profile. This is what your users will see when they view their or another profile. So I'll design my profile section quickly. Voila. The other new features that has appeared when adding the add-on is the new users menu. Here I have 4 submenus. The first one, list. Here you will find the list of registered users in your app. The list gives you some information about those users. Change the information of a user by clicking on his name. Add a user directly from the back office using this button. Then public-private. Here you can decide whether the user has to log in to access the whole app or only access specific pages. The status is indicated by the red private or green public button. By default, the entire app is private. Other menu, import. This menu allows you to import a list of users to your app from the SCV file. Finally, the settings menu. Here we find 3 different tabs. In the Login tab, I can already choose whether or not to allow users to register to the app. Also, if I allow my user to enter the app without registering. Then I enter the text that will be displayed to users whose access is restricted. The second tab is dedicated to the user profile settings. Adding an avatar, links to social profiles, push history, everything you need to customize the user profile. Then I can define the field that will be displayed in the profile. Save and it's done. Last tab, external services. This is where you can activate the logging via Twitter or Facebook. You now know how to activate the authentication in your app. See you soon for another tutorial.